Here we have an application problem. So you're planning a party. Party favors cost $6 each, and balloons cost $4.50 each. You have $90 to spend is your budget. Write an equation in standard form that models the number of party favors and balloons you could buy. Use the intercepts to graph the equation. If you buy 9 party favors, how many balloons can you buy exactly with $90 without tax? So let's do this. Let's let X be our party favors. And we'll let Y be our balloons. And we know party favors cost $6 each, so I'm going to go 6X. We know balloons cost $4.50 each, so plus $4.50Y. That equals to $90. Now, this is not standard form. This is a useful form. I like this form. I would leave my equation like this. But remember, standard form has no decimals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 100. Or actually, yeah, I'm going to multiply it by 100, so I'm dealing with pennies. So I'm going to say 600x plus 450y equals 9,000. That's standard form, but I'm actually going to just use my form here. Now, I think the easiest way to graph this equation, and let's find the intercepts. So I'm going to go back and use my first equation. To find the x-intercept, remember, we make y 0. So I'm going to have 6x equals 90. Or if you divide 6 by 90, or 9, I should say 90 divided by 6, how about that? That goes in there once with 3 left over, so 30. So you get 15. So my x-intercept is 15. I'm going to rewrite that because that looks kind of sloppy. Okay, now I'm going to turn around. I'm going to find the y-intercept. And so I'm going to let x be 0. So I'm going to have 450y equals 90. If you take 90 divided by 450, is that 20? That's 20, yep. Y equals 20. So on my x-axis, I'm going to put my party favors. So that's my x-intercept is 15, so I go over 15. There's 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. And then I know my y-intercept is 20. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect those two. There's your line. Now the second part says I'm going to buy 9 party favors. In other words, x is 9. So I'm going to use my equation here. And I'm going to replace x with 9. So I'm going to say 6 times 9 plus 450y equals 90. Well, 6 times 9 is 54, so I go 54 plus 450y equals 90. I subtract 54 from both sides. And we get 450y equals 90 minus 54, is that 46? 36, got to carry the 1. Divide both sides by 4.5. So if I take 36 divided by 4.5, I get 8. So I should be able to buy 8 balloons if I buy 9 party favors.